Hello guys, welcome to this tutorial, and in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to set up fingerprint on your Android phone. So the first thing you need to do is to open your settings app. After opening your settings app, you come to the search bar, just search for fingerprint. The reason I'm searching is because your Android phone might be different from mine. Where you can set up your fingerprint is not where I can set up mine. So the simple thing we have to do here is to search for fingerprint. Alright, as you can see, I'm using Google Pixel, so you have Pixel imprint. In your Android phone you might see something like fingerprint as well. So all you need to do is to tap it, and over here we have screen lock. We have Pixel imprint. Okay, this means that 2 fingerprints has been added. So I'm going to tap on it. I'm going to put the password on my device. Alright, after doing that, I'm going to tap on Pixel imprint. As you can see, I've already added two of my fingerprints over here. So if you have not added it before, you're going to see add fingerprints over here. But since I've added 2 already, let me add another one. Alright, so I'm going to tap on add fingerprint, and over here you can see lift, then touch again. And you see it says put your finger on the sensor and lift after you feel a vibration. Alright, so all you need to do is to put one of your fingers on the fingerprint at the back of your phone or at the front of your phone, maybe anywhere it's located. I'm gonna do as instructed. So I push it, then I lift it up, put it, lift it up, put it, lift it up. As you can see, till this thing completes. Alright, so it now says fingerprint added. Now you can use your fingerprint to unlock your phone or verify it's you, like when you sign into apps and approve purchase. Alright, so that is done quickly and simple. So all you need to do is to tap on done. As you can see, I've added finger 3, and if you want to delete it, just tap on the delete icon over here. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and most importantly, don't forget to subscribe.